Hello! A day in the life of an alkaline, ketogenic diet lifestyle. What do we even do? What do we even eat? What supplements do we take? What kind of crazy stuff are we into? Well, I've been doing this for 2 years, and I also have been teaching other people. There's a lot to learn and there's a lot of BS out there, so tune into my channel. Make sure to subscribe if you're into this, because I give a lot of free content, and I also have a free group where I share recipes and all kinds of really helpful information that you can't find anywhere else. This is not popular information, or else I wouldn't be spending so much time working on it. If I thought you were going to find this out another way, then I probably wouldn't do it. But I'm bringing you the most important information that I've learned in battling chronic diseases. And I have another video about how I kicked fatigue's butt in less than a month. You can check that out here, but that's like 40 minutes long, so we won't go into that in this video. This is going to be a shorter version just of what is it like day to day. So today is interesting because I woke up about 9 a.m. and I was on a 36-hour fast. So I woke up feeling really feisty or something and I was excited to eat, but then I didn't end up eating. I ended up working until at least noon. So that's typically what I do in the morning. I dive into whatever I didn't finish, or I take like 2 solid hours to meditate. You know, I'll have to bring you in on one of those sessions live. It's not really that fancy. It sounds mysterious, but you might be bored by it. However, for me, those moments are when I create my entire career, or when I find a solution, or just reconnecting, because I work 7 days a week, so it gets pretty stressful. I'm not gonna lie. I work for myself, which has challenges and benefits, but I'm responsible for everything, so it gets really stressful. So that's why my whole life is built around my health, so that I don't burn out, because I've burnt out before, more than once. I burnt out like 3, I had like 3 nervous breakdowns. This was several years ago. I was not interested in talking about it at that time, but now enough time has passed. I'm okay with it. I've moved on, I've healed, and now I'm bringing that to you. So burnout is real. A lot of people are experiencing chronic pain, chronic fatigue, adrenal fatigue, you name it, digestion problems. So many people right now. It's not just me, it's not just you. So I reversed it, and so can you. There's nothing special about me. I'm sharing everything that I did. So if I don't say everything in this video, check out my other videos, because I'm laying it all out there. So let me show you my office. Right when I wake up, the first thing I do is go to the bathroom and brush my teeth. Because the reason I brush my teeth right away, I learned from a dentist, the plaque on your teeth, if you drink water in the morning, it gets in your stomach and causes cancer or something. That's according to that dentist. But I believe it, because plaque, mucus, pus, all that stuff is a waste product and we want it out. So I brush my teeth, then I go straight for the water. That's my go-to breakfast, is almost a liter. I don't always drink the whole liter, right away, but I drink I drink a liter soon, but I drink maybe half of it, and then I make tea. So the tea, well, let me show you. Come right in here, because there's my office, and then here's the kitchen. These days I've been keep this in a little jar, and I showed my little tea zone in my kitchen tour video. If you haven't seen the kitchen tour, there it is. I give a tour of all the stuff that I have in my cabinets, because one of my clients wanted to know. So here I have some tea bags. This one, chamomile, one of my favorites. Oh, it smells so good. It's really high quality organic chamomile tea. It just puts to shame whatever junk that usually stores have. And here's another one. I either have goji berry or ginger. And the ginger tea, actually that's up on our site, but I add agave to it because I like it sweeter. So that's the only tea I really sweeten, though, is ginger tea. And ginger tea is great. It's powerful, and it gets your digestion going for sure. If you ate too much or something, ginger tea is nice. So that's kind of what I just drink tea in the morning. I don't even eat for several hours. But then, alright, I do want to show you one thing. I do have a whole kitchen tour video, but I restocked my cabinet, and I want to show you all the stuff we have in here. We have a bunch of boxes of quinoa that we got. It's randomly, we found 100% quinoa. There's tons of stuff down here. Here we've got 1 million bags of puffed kamut. Puffed kamut. I don't eat wheat at all, but this is like before wheat. This is like an ancient wheat. So wheat is actually hybrid. This stuff is the real stuff. I've got a lot of it, as you can see, because I can't find it in any stores around here. Oh man, these are so good. If you've seen any of my Alkaline shopping videos, I buy these usually at Mark's. They have them at Walmart, but I prefer to get them at Mark's. And I don't know where else I've seen them, but I get a lot of them when I find them because they're just chickpea flour and that's it. Amazing, right? And they're good. And over here we've got some, this is my favorite coconut milk ever. It's more like cream, but if you mix it with coconut water, then it's like coconut milk, and it's really good. Hemp protein is the only kind of protein I would take. This is just 100% hemp. And as you can see, I'm stocked up on agave. This is agave, 100% Purity Award. I go through a lot of that. There's some more of this, of course. I've got more chickpeas back there. Hemp seeds, of course. These are the best. You've got all your omegas and protein. This is all you need, really, as far as that stuff goes. There's some more. Got some avocado oil, which I love. Sesame seeds. More coconut milk in case we can't find that other one. There's some tahini. More coconut cream. Ooh, I found the secret stash. I thought these were gone. I'm gonna eat these right now. Well, no, I'm not. These are really good though. They don't have anything added, they're just mango slices. Alright, anything else cool back there? I just see more coconut cream and whatever this is. Sesame oil. more chickpea pasta. Then we've got more chickpeas. We've got some wild rice right here. Some walnuts over there. We've got tons of supplements. And Alkaline. Anyway, golden berries, Brazil nuts, seaweed, and there's more seaweed up top, and that's about it. So I just wanted to show you some of this stuff because it's packed with alkaline goodness. And also, yeah, grab, if you haven't gotten your free BioClean left, that is what you want. So check out the link in the description. And pretty much I just sit here and work at my computer. I can paste back and forth, video off, and just make Alright, if you want to see one of the things that I do to meditate, got my trusty yoga ball, and I like to float around on this. Because I personally like to stay in motion. That's why I like Tai Chi. Just sitting or laying is good sometimes, but this keeps my hips moving, and when you sit for a long period of time, and then sometimes I get up and my hips pop out of place. So I like the yoga ball because it keeps me balanced, keeps me loose and flexible. So I'm taking a quick break to film this and eat some toasted alkaline banana bread. I had posted this recipe in the group. If you want the recipe, I'll link this. And also there's a video making this. But I'm noticing, because I was fasting for 36 hours, now that I'm eating again, I feel that even the smallest amount is overeating. Like I only really need, I know how much that I actually need and how much that is just extra. It's very interesting. It changes your perspective, but I need to take a break from the computer screen, and every so often because of my eyes. And when it starts to get late, I start wearing blue light blocking glasses, but it's still pretty early now. But you gotta get up and stretch out your back, get away from the computer every time you can remember it. Sometimes I sit there for hours and hours and hours, working and working on something, depending on what it is. Kills my back, so you gotta get up every hour, hopefully, and stretch for a second. Keeps the blood flowing to your brain as well. All right, that's enough messing around. Back to work. Well, it's been 12 hours and I'm still working, but on the computer. But I am going to force myself to do something else. And I did eat earlier, and I also took some videos while my wife was cooking something. So I'll post those. I filmed a few different recipes that are being edited that are coming soon. Did you see the curry, alkaline curry recipe that we made? There's a video of it. Check it out. And more recipes are coming soon. We're doing a whole series of alkaline chef videos. So what kind of recipes do you want to see? What are your favorite foods? I want to try to make an alkaline version of whatever your favorite food is, even if you think it can't be done. I want to try. So comment your favorite food below, even if it's unhealthy. Comment your favorite food, and we'll see if we can make a good version of it. I'm definitely not going to bed now, but I'm going to try to wrap up my work on the computer. And usually what I do around 10 p.m. is I start turning the lights off, because my brain will just be wired all night. So I have to signal that it's getting dark, and I start a few hours before I'm going to go to bed. So I'll probably sleep after midnight, but I want to stop using the screen. Also, I'm using, once it gets dark and I turn the lights off, I start using computer glasses. And I just ordered a few more pairs because these ones are uncomfortable. Really uncomfortable. But hours of staring at the computer is always uncomfortable. So I'm gonna have to get up and stretch my back, because it's been hours and hours since I stretched. And I'm starting to stiffen up. Then I will probably eat something before it gets too late. And I'll put I'm sure I'll post whatever I'm gonna eat in the group. So if you haven't joined the group, check out in the description, there's a link, and it's a free group on Facebook, and I share all kinds of recipes, shopping lists, what I'm eating, information. People are asking questions and I'm answering them. I also go live in the group.
Meanwhile,
it's about 1 a.m. I just took a bath because I usually go to the sauna, but everything's closed, as you probably know. So, bath it is, and I feel sluggish and exhausted and relaxed. But if you know, taking a cold shower or cold bath gives you more energy. Taking a hot one just makes you feel like sleeping, but that's okay at 1 a.m. Usually I don't take one that late. So, see you in the group, and see you in the next video. Make sure to subscribe, because I'm coming out with a lot of content. All of it is vital. So this was a little bit more of a relaxed video, but in other videos I break it down, what you need to be doing right now to stay healthy and to stay in control of your body, mind, and also spirit. So have an amazing day on purpose, and I'll see you in the group or video. Peace.